Original Gardena System Fittings. Designed to be quick, reliable and watertight. For use between tap and hose as well as hose and appliances, 5/8 inch or 1/2 inch hoses. Modular System. Thanks to the original Gardena system, any watering accessory of any brand with standard North American fittings can be connected to your hose and stays interconnected and watertight. Prevent annoying trips to the tap. The automatic water stop function stops water flow instantly when an accessory is disconnected and only resumes flow when a new watering accessory is connected. Ergonomic and Innovative. The quick connectors have plastic grooved grip recesses, making them easy to grip even with wet hands, while built-in frost protection prevents damage from colder weather. Items delivered. 1x Gardena accessory end quick connector with water stop, 1x Gardena tap end quick connector, 1x Gardena tap adapter, 2x Gardena accessory adapters. Top reviews from the United States. Quick change, efficient, no leaks. The first one of these we got was attached to a Gardena sprinkler. It was so easy to switch to other watering devices that I bought these additional attachments for the other hose in the front yard. These are so convenient. By the way, we've had the one on the sprinkler for about 5 years now, still no leaks.